MetaHuman for Unreal Engine continues to evolve the MetaHuman suite of products, offering new capabilities and features in various areas, including creation, animation, and styling. This video covers a high-level look at the latest features, including the in-editor capabilities, access to community MetaHuman assets on Fab, and additional animation features that improve the quality and workflow of the MetaHuman pipeline. Originally accessible by a browser, the MetaHuman Creator workflow moves into the editor with Unreal Engine 5.6, enabling you to create and author MetaHuman characters directly in the editor by using the new MetaHuman Character asset. To get started, make sure you have the MetaHuman Creator core data installed within your Epic Games Launcher engine version. And then you are ready to effectively enable the MetaHuman Creator plugin inside your Unreal Engine project. From there, simply right-click in the content browser, create a MetaHuman Character asset, and double-click the new asset to start creating. Within your asset window, you have access to the original intuitive face authoring tools, which now have extended to bodies as well. The new parametric body system enables you to create a range of plausible body shapes based on extensive real-world scan data that you can sculpt and blend between. Under hair and clothing, you can now use your own MetaHuman-compatible groom and clothing assets directly in MetaHuman Creator, meaning you can author mesh-based clothing in DCC apps and use the new Unreal Engine outfit asset to generate wardrobes for your MetaHumans that automatically resize against your character's body shapes. From the new parametric body system to the mesh to MetaHuman workflow, creators can enjoy higher fidelity and realism for their characters, like my character here. To see what is possible, check out the newest set of characters provided for your use or simply for inspiration as you build your own MetaHuman. Once you have your MetaHuman character customized as you'd like, you can assemble the character by creating its rig and downloading its textures, and then selecting Assemble. You have 4 options available for assembling your character based on your pipeline needs, from high-fidelity cinematic quality to optimized options for UE and UEFN, as well as DCC exports. The ways you can use your MetaHumans have expanded. Once your character is assembled, a blueprint can be found in the MetaHuman folder of your content browser and is ready to be brought into your scene. To bring your character to life, you now have many options for animating. Let's first take a moment to understand the different options and then dive into each one. First off, you have real-time options from any audio device, mobile device using the LiveLink Face application, or mono video camera, which includes webcams and is new to Unreal Engine 5.6. Additionally, you can create animations offline from depth data captured with a true depth camera on an iOS device or a stereo head-mounted camera. And lastly, as additional offline options, you can generate animations from imported mono video or audio. Now let's take a closer look at these different animation solutions to better understand how they work and when to use each solution. Let's begin with real-time workflows. With MetaHuman Animator, you can capture an actor's facial performance and turn it into animation on any MetaHuman in real time using almost any camera. New to Unreal Engine 5.6 is the ability to use mono video in real time, including your webcam, making it easier than ever to have quick animated feedback with little setup, as seen with this MetaHuman and my laptop's webcam here. This real-time process utilizes the LiveLink hub and can work with webcams, iPhones, audio only, and more. This will give you the quickest animation results, perfect for live performances, and is nice for prototyping and testing. Next, let's take a look at the offline options. Using MetaHuman Animator, you can generate MetaHuman performance assets by ingesting mono video using footage captured previously with LiveLink Hub and the Capture Manager editor. You can also use MetaHuman Animator to generate facial animation rigs from audio sound wave assets that are imported directly into Unreal Engine. When solving audio only offline, Unreal Engine now includes plausible head motion and allows you to influence the mood. These offline options allow creators and talents to work asynchronously and come with additional functionality during the process workflow. For the highest quality animation that reproduces every nuance of an actor's facial performance, you can use the MetaHuman Depth Processing plugin in combination with MetaHuman Animator. This workflow requires either an iPhone with a depth sensor or a stereo head-mounted camera system and utilizes true depth data to bring more realism and precision to your MetaHuman animations. This workflow requires a few extra steps, but will produce the highest fidelity animation solution. Once you have your animation pipeline determined, you can preview character animations in MetaHuman Creator or animate the character placed in a level while editing. Looking for an outfit for your MetaHuman character? Check out the new MetaHuman channel on the Fab Marketplace, which allows you to buy and sell MetaHumans and MetaHuman compatible grooms and clothing. This is made possible by a validation and packaging tool called the MetaHuman Manager that is provided in Unreal Engine. Once you find what you are looking for, simply download and add the asset to your project. Lastly, there are new plugins for Maya and Houdini, making authoring MetaHumans across your pipeline easier than before. Both plugins have Groom starter kits available on Fab to help get you up and running. With the many updates to MetaHuman, impressive quality and uniqueness for characters are easier to produce than ever before. Try it out for yourself. Additional resources can be found in the description of this video to help support your MetaHuman journey.